Welcome to the Comprehensive Trade Knowledge Review course for painters and decorators to prepare for the 404C Red Seal License Exam, Part 1. Overview. Our Comprehensive Trade Knowledge Review course is designed to prepare individuals for the Painter and Decorator 404C Red Seal License Exam. This course covers all essential topics, skills, and knowledge required to successfully pass the exam and become a certified painter and decorator. By focusing on key modules such as common occupational skills, surface preparation, paints and coatings, wall coverings, wood finishes, and industrial paints and coatings, participants will gain a deep understanding of the trade practices, techniques, materials, and regulations relevant to the industry. Our expert instructors and resources provide a structured learning environment that combines theoretical knowledge with practical applications to ensure comprehensive exam preparation and career readiness. Module A. Common Occupational Skills, covering 22% of Painter and Decorator 404C exam questions. 1. Safety Practices. Learning occupational health and safety regulations, personal protective equipment, PPE, hazard identification, and safe work practices. 2. Communication Skills. Developing effective communication techniques with clients, team members, and supervisors professionally and clearly. 3. Tool and Equipment Handling. Understanding proper use, maintenance, and storage of painting tools, equipment, and materials for efficient and safe operations. 4. Workplace Organization. Practicing time management, job site organization, cleanliness, and efficient workflow to enhance productivity and project completion. 5. Fundamental Math Skills. Applying basic math concepts such as measurements, calculations, estimations, and material quantities in painting and decorating tasks. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions deeply on Module A. Common Occupational Skills. Focus on each of the following 14 topics to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 404C exam. 1. Uses personal protective equipment, PPE, and safety equipment. 2. Maintains a safe work environment. 3. Maintains tools and equipment. 4. Uses rigging, hoisting, and lifting equipment. 5. Uses access equipment. 6. Uses documentation. 7. Determines project requirements. 8. Plan job. 9. Protects surroundings. 10. Handles materials. 11. Performs quality control assessments. 12. Assesses substrate conditions and deficiencies. 13. Assesses product conditions and deficiencies. 14. Assesses the quality of painted or coated surfaces and wall coverings. Module B. Surface Preparation, covering 28% of Painter and Decorator 404C exam questions. 1. Scrape, sand, and patch. Learning techniques for scraping, sanding, and patching surfaces to remove imperfections, smooth rough areas, and prepare surfaces for painting or finishing. 2. Priming and sealing. Understanding the importance of priming and sealing surfaces to improve adhesion, prevent moisture penetration, enhance durability, and achieve a uniform finish. 3. Caulking and filling. Mastering caulking and filling methods to seal gaps, cracks, holes, and joints, ensuring seamless surfaces and high-quality paint application. 4. Surface inspection. Developing skills to inspect surfaces for damage, moisture issues, mold growth, structural defects, and other surface conditions that may impact painting and decorating. 5. Surface cleaning. Using proper cleaning techniques and products to remove dirt, grease, grime, and other contaminants from surfaces, ensuring a clean and smooth substrate for painting and finishing. In our forthcoming videos, we will offer thorough discussions on Module B, Surface Preparation. Focus on each of the following 16 topics to assist you in reviewing and enhancing your trade knowledge, ultimately aiding your success in passing the Red Seal 404C exam. 1. Removes existing paints and coatings. 2. Removes existing wall coverings and adhesives. 3. Cleans surfaces. 4. Primes surfaces. 5. Sands surfaces. 6. Applies caulking. 7. Prepares wood surfaces for paints, coatings, and wall coverings. 8. Treats wood surfaces. 9. Repairs imperfections in wood. 10. Mechanically treats concrete and masonry surfaces. 11. Chemically treats concrete and masonry surfaces. 12. Repairs concrete and masonry surfaces. 13. Treats metal surfaces. 14. Repairs metal surfaces. 15. Repairs existing plaster surfaces and drywall. 16. Finishes new drywall. Module C. residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings, covering 20% of painter and decorator, 404C, exam questions. 1. Paint types and characteristics. Understanding different paint types, finishes, sheens, and characteristics suitable for residential, institutional, and commercial applications. 2. Color theory and application. Applying color theory principles, color selection, color matching, and coordination to create aesthetically pleasing and harmonious paint schemes. 3. Paint mixing and preparation. Learning proper paint mixing, thinning, tinting, and preparation techniques to achieve desired colors, textures, and viscosity for painting projects. 4. Paint application methods. Mastering various paint application methods such as brushing, rolling, spraying, and stippling for different surfaces and paint types to achieve even coverage and desired effects. 5. Paint maintenance. Understanding paint maintenance practices, touch-up procedures, cleaning methods, and preservation techniques to prolong the life and appearance of painted surfaces in residential, institutional, and commercial settings. In our forthcoming video sessions, we will offer detailed discussions on Module C, residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings. Focus on each of the following 12 topics to assist you in reviewing and enhancing your trade knowledge, ultimately aiding in your success in passing the Red Seal 404C exam. 1. Prepares residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings. 2. Installs residential, institutional, and commercial reinforcing mesh. 3. Applies residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings with brushes. 4. Applies residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings with rollers. 5. Applies residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings with applicators. 6. Applies residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings with spray equipment. 7. Applies paints and coatings using decorative techniques. 8. Creates faux finishes. 9. Applies gilding. 10. Applies stencils and graphics. 11. Creates textured finishes. 12. Applies multi-Euro spec coatings. Module D. Wall coverings, covering 8% of painter and decorator, 404C, exam questions. 1. Wallpaper installation. Learning techniques for wallpaper selection, preparation, measuring, cutting, pasting, hanging, and finishing to achieve smooth, wrinkle-free, and well-aligned wall coverings. 2. Wall decals and murals. Understanding the installation process for wall decals, murals, and custom graphics, including surface preparation, positioning, application, and removal techniques. 3. Fabric and textile coverings. Exploring fabric and textile wall covering materials, installation methods, maintenance considerations, and design applications for decorative and functional wall finishes. 4. Paneling and wainscoting. Installing and finishing paneling, wainscoting, beadboard, and other decorative wall coverings to enhance interior spaces, add texture, and create focal points in residential and commercial settings. 5. Wall covering care. Practicing proper cleaning, maintenance, repair, and removal procedures for different types of wall coverings to preserve their appearance, integrity, and longevity over time. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions deeply on Module D. Wall coverings. Focus on each of following 8 topics to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 404C exam. 1. Treats surfaces for wall coverings. 2. Lays out surface. 3. Prepares wall coverings. 4. Applies adhesives. 5. Installs vinyl wall coverings. 6. Installs fabric and natural material wall coverings. 7. Installs rigid wall coverings. 8. Repairs existing wall coverings. Module E. Wood finishes, covering 10% of painter and decorator, 404C, exam questions. 1. Stain selection and application. Learning about wood stain types, color options, penetration levels, application techniques, and finishing processes to enhance and protect wood surfaces. 2. Polyurethane and varnish application. Understanding polyurethane and varnish products, drying times, sheen levels, sanding techniques, and coating applications for durable and attractive wood finishes. 3. Oil finishes. Exploring oil-based finishes, including linseed oil, tung oil, and other oil variants, their properties, curing times, protective qualities, and application methods for wood preservation and enhancement. 4. Wood refinishing. Refinishing techniques for stripping old finishes, sanding surfaces, repairing imperfections, applying new finishes, and restoring the natural beauty of wood furniture, cabinetry, and trim. 5. Wood care and maintenance. Practicing routine wood care tasks, such as cleaning, polishing, conditioning, waxing, and repairing, to extend the life, appearance, and durability of wood finishes in residential and commercial environments. In our forthcoming video sessions, we will offer detailed discussions on Module E. Wood finishes. Focus on each of following 8 topics to assist you in reviewing and enhancing your trade knowledge, ultimately aiding in your success in passing the Red Seal 404C exam. 1. Prepares for wood finishing applications. 2. Conditions of the wood surfaces. 3. Applies wood fillers. 4. Seals wood surfaces. 5. Prepares wood finishing products. 6. Brushes on wood finishes. 7. Wipes on wood finishes. 8. Sprays on wood finishes. Module F. Industrial paints and coatings, covering 12% of painter and decorator, 404C, exam questions. 1. Industrial coating types. Understanding industrial paint and coating options, such as epoxy, polyurethane, enamel, powder coatings, and specialty finishes, used in industrial applications for corrosion protection, chemical resistance, and durability. 2. Surface preparation for industrial settings. Learning specialized surface preparation techniques, such as abrasive blasting, chemical cleaning, degreasing, and priming, in industrial environments to ensure proper adhesion and long-lasting coating performance. 3. High-performance coating applications. Applying high-performance coating systems for industrial equipment, machinery, pipelines, tanks, structures, and surfaces subjected to harsh environments, extreme temperatures, and heavy-duty usage. 4. Quality control and inspection. Implementing quality control measures, inspection procedures, and testing protocols to assess coating adhesion, thickness, coverage, and durability, ensuring compliance with industry standards and specifications. 5. Maintenance painting. Performing maintenance painting tasks in industrial facilities, refineries, manufacturing plants, and commercial structures to preserve infrastructure, prevent corrosion, extend equipment life, and maintain a safe and productive working environment. In our forthcoming video sessions, we will offer detailed discussions on Module F, Industrial Paints and Coatings. Focus on each of the following 4 topics to assist you in reviewing and enhancing your trade knowledge, ultimately aiding in your success in passing the Red Seal 404C exam. 1. Prepares industrial paints and coatings. 2. Installs fiber-reinforced plastics, FRP. 3. Applies industrial paints and coatings with hand tools. 4. Applies industrial paints and coatings with power tools.